Hey, awesome people out there. This is your host Rohit, and in this video, we'll talk about why people fear being themselves. When we say be yourself, why do people not be themselves? Let's talk about that today. Yeah. So, firstly, we'll talk about this thing as to why people don't own that identity of being themselves, being yourself. और उसके बाद हम बात करेंगे how you can be yourself. Yeah. So welcome to this video. Now you must be seeing, okay, Rohit, you are at some new place. So yes, I am in Jaipur right now, having this meetup with one of my many of my peer coaches whom I have been watching growing, transforming for the last in the last 6 months virtually on Zoom. And today is the actual day when we will be meeting them. Yeah, and one of the master coaches as well. So coming to the topic in hand that we have. So first thing, that why people don't own that identity of being themselves, is being yourself, is that they want to be like someone else. See, again, सबसे अच्छी बात है कि obviously we should have some inspiration, some ideals in our life, but it should not be कि यार हमको उनके जैसा बनना है. Make sense? हमको उनके जैसा नहीं बनना, हमको उनके traits अपने personality में add करने हैं. What do I mean by that? If a person is rich, you want to be rich like that person. You want to have that charisma जैसा उस व्यक्ति के पास है. तो figure out ways as to how that person has developed that charisma, that mental ability कि यार he is able to think in a different way. सोचे उसके बारे में. Don't think that you want to be like them. Don't be like them. This is one of the key challenges which I've been sharing. Don't try to be someone else. आप यूनिक हैं. आप अपने आप जैसा बनिए, ना कि किसी और के जैसा. And the other day someone telling me, यार तू संदीप महेश्वरी की तरह लगता है, and you will become like Sandeep Maheshwari. I don't know what made him say that, but the whole thing is, I said, भाई मेरे को संदीप महेश्वरी नहीं बनना. I don't want to be a yet another Sandeep Maheshwari. I want to be me, myself, Rohit Singla. Simple. No one in this world can be Sandeep Maheshwari, and also no one can be Rohit Singla. भगवान ने हम सभी को एक यूनिक आइडेंटिटी दी है, यूनिक पर्पस दिया है, यूनिक गिफ्ट्स दिए हैं, यूनिक एबिलिटीज दी हैं, यूनिक टैलेंट दिए हैं. वी नीड टू टैप इनटू दोज थिंग्स. नॉट कि यार अरे वो ऐसा कर रहा है तो हमको भी ऐसा ही बनना है. वी डोंट वांट दैट, राइट? सो डोंट ट्राई टू बी समवन एल्स. Second point as to why people fear being themselves is, again, right now I'm just looking into my notes that I have prepared in my notepad because I'm not having my usual setup. So the second thing is they want to impress others. हम लोगों को impress करना चाहते हैं कि यार I should look good, I should look perfect, I should look this, that, blah blah blah, right? And the third point, which is interconnected to the second point, that is want to impress others, because then the third point, they have this fear of being judged, right? Now I want to ask you a question and answer it for yourself. When was the last time you are being yourself? आखिरी बार कब था जो आप you're owning that identity? Okay, I am so and so. Just ask that question. Was it yesterday? Was it right now? Was it a week ago? Or was it a month ago? Or maybe years ago? Answer that question for you. Yeah? See, fear of being judged. It's like हिंदी में कहावत है, लोगों का काम है कहना, ठीक है, वो कहेंगे. एंड आई कैन मे बी सिंग अ सॉन्ग लाइक, लोगों का काम है कहना, समथिंग लाइक दैट. कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना. सो दे विल से, राइट? आप कुछ करें ना करें, दे विल स्पीक, दे विल से. आप घर पे हो, दे विल से, अरे यार तू घर पे क्यों है? आप जॉब पे हो, अरे यार तू जॉब पे क्यों है? तू अपने पेरेंट्स से क्यों नहीं मिल रहा? तू अपने फ्रेंड से क्यों नहीं मिल रहा? दे विल फाइंड एवरी सिंगल फ्रिकिंग थिंग टू जज यू. तूने ऐसे कपड़े क्यों पहने हुए हैं? तू ऐसे क्यों बोलता है? तू ऐसे क्यों कर रहा है? सी अगेन, इफ दैट क्वेश्चन इज फॉर अ सेल्फ रिफ्लेक्शन, अगेन यू हैव टू बी कॉन्शियस अबाउट कि कहां पे जजमेंट है और कहां पे आपको फीडबैक मिल रहा है. बिकॉज अगेन, इफ देयर इज समथिंग दैट यू वांट टू वर्क विद, इट्स नॉट ऑलवेज अ जजमेंट, इट्स अ फीडबैक समटाइम्स. तो जहां पे प्रोसेस है, नीड है इवॉल्वमेंट की, इवॉल्व, ग्रो कर रहे हैं उस चीज में, राइट? सो हैविंग सेड दैट, फर्स्ट थिंग, they want to be someone else. Second point, they want to impress others. Third point, they have a lot of fear of judgment. Now we have talked about three ways कि लोग, why people fear being themselves, being yourself. Now let's talk about the second part in this. Let's talk about what can you do to be yourself. Yeah, so the first thing that you can do is own yourself. ओन योर सेल्फ. आप जैसे भी हैं, ओन योर सेल्फ, ओन योर आइडेंटिटी. यू आर थिन, यू आर फैट, यू आर ब्लैक, यू आर डार्क, यू आर फेयर, यू हैव शॉर्ट हेयर, यू हैव लॉन्ग हेयर, यू हैव दिस, ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला. जो भी कुछ आप हैं, द गॉड हैज गिवन इट टू यू. ओन दैट स्पेस, ओन दैट. लेट पीपल से इफ दे आर सेइंग समथिंग अबाउट यू. You can't impress all the people that you met, all the people that you see, all the people that you walk by. You can't impress all the people. Yeah? So own yourself, own that identity जो आपके पास है. Who is the real you? Yeah? Now, the second point that you can do is practice self-love. Yeah, it's little difficult. Practice self-love. अपने आप को प्यार करना सीखें. अब वो कैसे करेंगे? It's not कि अरे यार चलो ठीक है, वर्चुअली गले लगते हैं, राइट? वर्चुअली वी आर हगिंग ईच अदर. You do it. Feel that emotion. Feel that thing. See, it's like, see right now this is a water bottle. I just picked it up from here. अभी इस बोतल में पानी है तो आई कांट फिल मच इन इट. अगर इसमें कुछ भरना है तो पहले मुझे खाली करना पड़ेगा ना यार. वी आर ऑलरेडी फुल. प्रैक्टिस सेल्फ लव. जितना इसमें पानी होगा इतना यू कैन गिव टू अदर्स. सी इट्स अगेन देयर इज वन थिंग व्हिच आई लर्न रिसेंटली वाज EBA, इमोशनल बैंक अकाउंट. आपके पास अभी फाइनेंशियल बैंक अकाउंट है जिसमें आपके पास पैसे हैं, राइट? लेट्स से आपके अकाउंट में देयर इज 10,000 rupees. I'm just taking a random example. 10,000 rupees. So all you can give is 10,000 rupees, not 10,001 rupee from your bank account, not 11,000 rupees. You need to keep something which is flowing inwards in the bank account so that the cycle is maintained. That you are able to give more to other people. और जब तक हम ही अपनी स्किन में we don't feel comfortable, how can we expect from others कि they will love us? Right? So practice self love. और उसके लिए you can watch this interview that I did with Shruti Lal. I can give the link to her interview in the side button. Just go and watch it. It was more about being confident, how to practice self-love actually. What is self-love? Right? So make sure you do that. Do things that you love. See yourself in the mirror and say how beautiful I am, how handsome I am, how good looking I am, how charming I am. मैं कितना कॉन्फिडेंट हूं, मैं कितना सुंदर हूं, मैं कितना अच्छा हूं. I look amazing. I look stunning. When was the last time you had this type of conversation with yourself? Practice self-love. Right. Third point is let them judge. My friend, let them judge. Right. As I mentioned previously, you can't impress anyone. Like you can't impress every single person that you have in your life. Right? So the three things that you can do is, first, own yourself, own your identity as whoever you are, whatever you are, however you are, own yourself. Yeah. Second point was practice self-love. Yeah. And make sure to watch this interview that I did with Shruti Lal on confidence building and on self-love. Don't forget to watch that. You will find tons and tons of pointers as to how you can be more confident in yourself, with yourself, for yourself. Yeah. And the third point was let them judge. And it's like लोगों का काम है कहना, right? और कुछ तो लोग, let me repeat it, कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे लोगों का काम है कहना. So उन्हें कहने देता ना यार. Why should we worry about it कि यार वो क्या सोच रहे हैं? Let them think. Until unless we are kind of harming someone other who is there with our actions, with our emotions, with our words, our thoughts. Yeah, let's not do that. Isn't it? So that's it for this video. And thank you so much for watching this video. And if you like this video, make sure to hit that red color subscribe button. Press that bell notification and don't forget to share your learnings, your observations, your thoughts on being your own self, as to what are your challenges in owning yourself. Yeah. So let's meet in the next video, that is tomorrow. Till then, wish you all the very best. Stay blessed, stay awesome, and be proud to be a lifelong learner. Wish you all the very best. Thank you.